The truth has been known, and the truth is life. We are not hiding it. This is what we are saying. And we are calling on people to see how they can assist us on this. This happened last year, nothing was done. That's why it could repeat itself. So I want us to understand this. We should look after those. We should look after those who are in difficulties, who are in pains. We should not just keep silent. How can human beings be passing through this kind of a thing and no one is saying about it? This is horrible. This is horrible. This is really horrible. I can't believe this. I can't believe my eyes. Just look at where human beings are still. If not for this bacon that is here, this corridor, this house would have been affected. And beside, there is a place I saw a crack. Please, let's go to that place. Yes, we are going to that place. The wall of the building is cracked. That means in no less time, this house can collapse. And nobody is saying something about it. I wonder, are we human beings? Don't we have feelings? Don't we have feelings? Don't we have feelings? And this is a house of God. For years, 7 years, ministers of God have been here, passing through pains, passing through, and nobody is saying anything about it. What? Why are we not blacks? Okay, there is no doubt. There is no doubt. We are blacks. We don't have human feelings. We don't have human feelings. That is why. That is why this thing is going. Please go closer. Go closer. You will see the crackings. That means in no less time. Just look at the walls. Just look at cracking a wall. That means in no less time this place can collapse. This is painful. Go to this area. Go to this area. Just look at what people of God are passing through. Even the members are trying their best. They are even complaining. Why are they not looking after them? This is an international church, for goodness sake, and they are not saying anything about it. I'm so disappointed. Just look at. 3 good places. 3 good places. Just look at the properties. Oh goodness Savior, help us. Just look at the church premises. Years to years, when they build, it will collapse. When they build, it will collapse. Let them do something about this. For 7 good years. 7 good years. This thing has been like this for the present ministers. And they are not saying anything about it. We are children of God for Christ. We have to be our brother's keeper. Think about those who are in difficulties. Think about those who are in pains. I'm really surprised at this. Just look at. Look at the pastor's son there. The little boy is confused. Look at the guy taking me on the tour over the places. We have to do something about this. Look at the surroundings. This place is really a swampy area. It's really a swampy area. I was surprised when I saw this. It's getting out of hand. Please, the authorities of the church should do something about this. They should do something about this because this is not fair. Think about those who are in pain. Think about those who are suffering. I am damn surprised. Every time they build, the place collapse. Every time they build, just look at that place. It has collapsed. It has collapsed again. To show that this place need thorough assistance, thorough money so that this place can be developed. Look at the crackings. Oh, goodness Savior, goodness Savior, goodness Savior, goodness Savior, goodness Savior. I am baffled at this. I am really baffled. I am baffled. May God help us. Christians, Christians, Christians. If you're a true Christian, you will not allow your fellow Christians to pass through this. Go through your Bible. What did St. Paul says? He said we should look after those who are in need. This is really terrible. This is really terrible. Mommy, good afternoon, ma. Oh, I can see the pains you are going through here. How long have you been here?
7 years.
7 years?
Yes.
Oh. What about your husband?
He's not around.
Yeah. Have things always been going on?
Anyway, the first day that we come, the thing was not serious. So we called for the church. And after everything, they didn't do anything. So we continue to manage it. So we come to, I think, since 2013. Then that's, last year home was so terrible that we also come. We did an uncompleted building, and the people now came and talk. We have to find another place to stay. We also called for the church. I don't know, they didn't do anything. And the worst part is that when we are trying to build the church, if this floor come like this, all the one that we have suffered, that everything will be scattered.
I can see it. I can see it.
So this time around, when they now say that we should start to pack out, we also call for the church, because if it comes like this, there will be no money. We will not have anything in our hand again. So now when we call our reverend, he now tell us we should do something. But the church, the member that we have here, they're angry. None of them is coming around again. They say the way what is going on here, that they don't like it, that they have to do something.
So,
either they will go out and buy land in another place than to be suffering this kind of thing.
yes, this place is truly a swampy area. Before it can be renovated to a standard whereby this thing will not penetrate, it will take a lot of money. So you said you were discussing to buy a new land, right?
That's what I was discussing with my husband. My husband now said that it's not easy, But now, as I'm talking to you now, he went out to know how we are going to do. This is our house. Right inside the house now, the water have taken over the place. And the small place that remain in the church, that is where we are packing our things to. This place you are seeing here is our the toilet that we try to build. Because of the flood, this is the level. But last year, water covers the place. And this year also, the water is still coming.
Okay.
So the
Okay.
thing, I'm just confused. I'm
All right.
confused.
So is this church an international church?
Yes, so
You mean what you say, ma?
yes,
This church is an international church,
yes.
and what are they? What are the authorities doing to assist you guys?
Well, truly speaking, I don't think the head know what is going on. Maybe when they want to tell them, they will not really tell them what people are passing through. They will just tell them flood. They will not know that, flood, if it is flood that carries everywhere and it affects, you will not feel it. But the flood that will carry every year, even my daughter, because of the condition of my daughter, flood and the rest of them, it is not good with her. I lost my daughter here last 2 years.
Oh,
I lost.
that is a painful,
Yes, so
memory.
it started with pneumonia. Before you know it, a child of 16 years, I lost her. I lost my daughter here, and I thought that they would do something about it. Nothing was done. When I tell my husband will say that it's God work, it's God work. But I thank God that maybe God want them to know what you are passing through. That's why you could come here today.
It's all right, ma. It's all right. It's all right. It's well.
Right now, we don't know, we don't even have where to stay. We don't
So,
even have where to stay.
there is no place, right,
Yes,
to stay,
yes,
and you're passing. It's now difficult for you to relocate.
yes.
Okay, okay, okay. And this deserves international support.
Yes, they should help us. So. Because me, I'm not talking about my very self, because I've stayed here for 7 years. Probably I may go out today. There's some other person that will come. I wonder how that person is going to manage. Another thing is that if you don't know how to swim, if you don't know how to swim, you don't know how to paddle a canoe. Every year you are passing through like this canoe that you are seeing now. Somebody we begged, people now send this canoe for us to use and manage. If the water don't take over our house, we will not be talking, we will manage ourselves. But this one right now, my children are there, they have not eaten.
Oh.
Because of what? There is no place for us to eat. I'm telling you, it's
Thank you very much, Mal. It's good knowing about this. We've heard about this since last year, and decided that we should come. And consequently to this, we know very well, we've seen very well that you guys are mostly affected by this, because if you look at other houses around here, looking at their feelings, the feelings is more higher than yours. And I understand that this is a church that the authorities should assist should assist you guys, and not only the members, because I believe if the members are bothersome or feel that this thing is too much for them, they will feel reluctant and they may leave the church. But I see very well that the members are doing all possible means, and you as a mother, I got to know that you are a farmer and you are also doing your best to make sure that the church grows. We appreciate your effort. We've seen what you can. We've seen the state which you are, and we're going to look into it. Have a nice day, ma.
thank you,
God bless you.
thank you.
So it is highly necessary for us to understand that we need to be our brother's keeper, knowing fully well that if we do not assist, there's every certainty that our Christianity will be hypocritical. May God help us as Christians. I am solely surprised about this, that the authorities of the church are not doing anything. And this church have been in existence before they even came here, and they said they've stayed here for 7 good years. That is a wholesome year. Based on this, the children body system is not good for these places, and this is what people need to put at heart. They need to put this at heart. They need to put this at heart. I am Vangel speaking. Thank you very much.